I don't need 1 million people to march. I need 1 million people to pay attention. This is Charles Street. Mike! Check! Art and activism, the art of protest. Freedom ain't never free. Freedom's something you gotta fight for. And I'm fighting for mine. Mine, yours, and ours. You feel me? I'm fighting for yours, mine, and ours. And I'm doing it through art. I took your campaign signs and I made them mine. You feel me? Zion Forum anti-violence program. All right, I gave you an anti-violence program in 2006, and I've been working that program ever since. I gave it to the Baltimore Sun. I gave it to Marilyn Mosby, and I gave it to the Supreme Court. I gave it to the Supreme Court in 2007. Ex-felons got a right to vote. We got a right to vote and run for office. All right, expand the ballot, expand the vote. All right, expand the ballot, expand the vote. That's Trump. All right. That's Trump in the toilet. That's Trump. And we talking about extremism. All right. I'm a Republican. I'm a black radical Republican. See that? I've been in business since 1997. I own shorties. I also own this artwork. We talking about the big show. All right. From July the 13th to August 31st, you can go to the big show and see everything I've been doing since 2007 at the big show, the Creative Alliance. You can see Donald Trump. 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 You can see Ehrlich. You can see Sheila Dixon. You can see Al Redmer and Johnny Oleski. You can see Asselbrook. You can see Nick Mosby. And like I said, Shorty's Traveling Art Show on Charles Street. Ex-felons got a right to vote. Expand the ballot, expand the vote. You feel me? Expand the ballot, expand the vote. Get out the vote. Appreciation. That's Kai Jackson from Fox 45. That's Tim Watts from WOLB 92Q. You feel me? So everybody know me. That's Bill Henry. And that's Marilyn Mosby and me in Annapolis. All right? That's ABC 2. We talking about mass incarceration. And I gave you this in 2010. Dred Scott, 2010. I never got a trial for 074988. All right, I was kidnapped by the state for making a documentary about your prison industry, and I broke you down as a criminal enterprise. Ask Ricky Spector. All right, Ricky Spector know me too. Save a cop's life, end the war on drugs. That's what I was talking about. N62528. That's what criminal charges for kidnapping by Scott Shellenberger. See the date? 2021. See the public officials? See the public officials? Everyone involved here. That's Shorty's Catering. Like I said, I've been in business since 1997. That's Shorty's Catering. That's my store on Falls Road. That's my phone number. That's all my business. These are your elected officials. So we're going to have a postal inspector investigate these cases. And that's the Honorable Judge Turnbull. You feel me? So everything Judge Turnbull got, everything Governor O'Malley got, everything the director of the ACLU got, everything Judge Boris got, Governor Quinn, Senator Cardin, Mikulski, the Lawyers Association, the Director of Parole and Probation, Mr. McGee, and Judge Bell. All right? Art and activism, the art of protest. I put that toilet in front of the Towson Courthouse to shit on white people, to address racism in your courts. I put that toilet in front of the school board to talk about your school to prison pipeline. So the Baltimore Sun, the Baltimore Brew, ABC, y'all got FCC violations. Y'all was protecting white supremacy, Scott Shellenberger. That's Anthony McCarthy. Racism don't work without black cooperation. Anthony McCarthy, J. Wendell Gordon, Dwight Pettit, Warren Brown, Ivan Bates. Y'all been protecting white supremacy, but I'm the cook in Baltimore. I pop up and pop off, and everybody like my food and my conversation. I'm B. Gaddy on wheels on Baltimore's Community Grill. That's here States Attorney Marilyn Mosby in 2016. And that's President Trump. So if he win his office, he got to address this corruption, and he a part of the corruption. You feel me? He part of the corruption. That's President Trump. And that's President Trump. I started this in 2006. Dwayne G. Davis, 11150 Falls Road. And that's Governor O'Malley. And that's Mayor Brandon Scott. And these are the cases. You feel me? That's Eleanor from the Department of Parole and Probation. You see that? Dwayne G. Davis. Facebook, Twitter, Google and Bing. You feel me? Google and Bing. The DVDs and the CDs. You feel me? They got that. Y'all heard me? Y'all a mic check? Well, it's a time to pee. Did you use the toilet today? You're going to think about me tomorrow. I promise you that. That's Ozzie Newsome from the Baltimore Ravens in my store. And we talking about the murder and the death of our black community and our black people. You feel me? And our black people. That's Chuck D from Public Enemy. We was at the Department of Justice. That's Brent Jones from the Baltimore Sun. That's Ozzie Newsome. And that's Ed Mulatolo from the Ravens. And that's me on the House of Cards. I'm the cook. Right here, 2015. Arts and Promotion, Maryland, New York, Philadelphia, and Chicago. I told y'all I was making a movie. And that's my number. It ain't changed. Arts and Promotions. A documentary about your prison industry. Maryland's prison industry. O'Malley and Brown's money machine. Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Alright? These videos expose the names of the officials. And that's President Trump. So President Trump, what you gonna do? Your name is all over this. Do blacks have rights in which white America respects? Because we're making a movie, and the movie all about you. President Donald Trump and Maryland's prison industry. You feel me? Arts and Promotions. House of Cards. Shorty's Traveling Art Show. Yeah, Donald Trump and Shorty. So, I'm a political prisoner living in exile in my own country. All about the war on drugs, N62528. I came in straight out the Illinois Department of Corrections in 1991. I changed my product, I ain't changed my hustle. Remember that.